Okay, hi children. Our lesson is about fact and opinion. Okay, so what is a fact? A fact is something that is proven to be true. A reader must decide if the statement can be proven or verified. How can a fact be proven? It can be proven by using general references such as textbooks, encyclopedia, and the like. So when we say fact, okay, ang sabi, something that is proven to be true. And how can we prove that it is true? So if we can verify the information using general references. Okay, what are the general references? Meron tayong textbooks. Okay, this one. And we have encyclopedias. Okay, so we can get the information or validate the information when we research it on general references. Okay, an opinion expresses an individual point of view. Opinions evaluate, judge, or express feelings and emotions. Statements about the future are always opinions because you cannot prove the future. To figure out if the statement is an opinion, you need to ask yourself or what others will say. Okay, so when we say opinion naman daw, it expresses individual point of view. So when we say individual, 'di ba sabi natin all of us are unique. So, iba-iba yung ating pananaw sa buhay, iba-iba yung way of thinking natin, iba-iba tayo ng pananaw o opinion sa bawat bagay. So, opinions, okay, yung judgment natin or how we express feelings and emotions, it is affected ng emotions natin. Okay, and sabi, statements about future are always opinion. Kasi, we cannot prove um, we cannot prove the future, di ba? We don't know what will exactly happen in the future, so it's always an opinion. Okay, so, and here, as you can see, meron tayong two boxes. The first one is the facts, okay, fact, and the other one is opinion. So, for us to be able to know if the statement or a sentence is fact or opinion, mayroon din tayong mga clues or signal words that can help us. Okay, but before that, mas alamin pa natin what is the difference between fact and opinion. So, a fact daw is a piece of information that can be proven with an evidence. Okay, again ha, anong sabi? Proven with an evidence. So, kailangan, okay, meron siyang evidence. Okay, it is based on reality, truth, and research. Okay, so, based siya sa reality, sa katotohanan. It is objective. When we say objective, okay, this is not affected by our emotion. Can be verified or proven based on evidence. Again, does not change. Okay, kasi nga kung ito ay based on truth, walang pabago-bago dyan. So, iisa lang yung truth natin or tinatawag na general truth. And some other things that can help us to prove that a statement is a fact is through numbers, through data. We can use the numbers, statistics or dates, graphs, mga charts natin, okay, verified documents history, eyewitnesses, records, and pictures. So, all of these can serve as our evidence. Well, for opinion naman, on the other side, a personal point of view, belief, or judgment about something. The keyword here is the word personal point of view. It means, okay, it's more on, personal natin siya. So, iba-iba tayo ng paniniwala. Kung ano yung pinaniniwalaan natin, yun din yung ating magiging opinion. Based on personal view, belief, belief, and it is subjective. So, kung kanina objective, okay, based on logic, subjective naman, your decision can be affected by how you feel, by your emotions. Okay, for example, by your emotions. Another is, it cannot be verified or proven by evidence. Kung si fact, kailangan masabing fact siya kasi with evidence, opinion cannot be verified or proven by evidence. Okay, and differ depending on different people's point of view. Iba-ibang tao, iba-iba ng opinion. And some of the signal words that we can use, okay, pinakita natin yung mga words na to, good or bad, the word believe, think, always, ito, common to. Okay, never, might, Okay, maybe, probably, maaari, baka, okay, guess, sa tingin ko. Okay, so interpretation and point of view, these are all, okay, signal words for opinion. Okay, so let's look at the examples, statements below. Cory Island is located at Honda Bay, Santa Lourdes, Barangay City. Barangay Santa Monica, Puerto Princesa City. So, this information can be verified through records. If we research it, meron tayong mga records that gives us the information na totoo na located ang Cory Island sa Honda Bay, Santa Lourdes, Puerto Princesa City. Okay, another. It is named after a kind of a shell called Cory. Okay, so bakit Cory ang name niya? Because it is based or it is named after a shell. So we can also verify that information through research. Okay, so on the other hand, on the other example naman, okay, I guess this is the best island among all the other islands around Honda Bay. Okay, look at the word guest. Sa tingin ko. So by using it, it means it is opinion. Okay, it is just a guess and it can be best for some people but not for others. Okay, I think I will enjoy the fine sand in the blue sea. Okay, again, the signal word of opinion is the word think. It is just what the speaker thinks. Some might not enjoy the sand in the sea. So, opinion, okay, hindi lahat ay nagkakapareho. Unlike ng fact na meron tinatawag tayo na general truth or information does not change. Okay, so another explanation. Okay, or more information about fact and opinion. So, examples of factual information. Okay, ano daw yon? Yung name of person, places, dates, times, statistics. Okay, fact, signal words, yung word of proof, verified, document, record. Okay, so these are the words that tells us that information is factual. While for opinion signal word naman, yung mga salitang believe, I feel, okay, possibly, probably, maaari, in my opinion, my point of view, okay, least, most, consider, should not, may not, think, best, good, or worst, my impression is, advice, suggest, expect, and seem are all opinion signal words. Okay, let's look at the example. This is an example of data, okay, showing the country's population in Asia. For example, ang statement is, okay, Philippines ranks 7 most populated country in Asia. Okay, is it a fact or opinion? So the question is, how are you going to say that it is a fact or it is only an opinion? Okay, so you need to look at the statistics, information that you can research. So, based dito sa statistics natin or dito sa ating chart, okay, as you can see, the first one, the rank 1 or the most populated country is China, followed by, umabot na ng billion, followed by India. And look at, if we're going to look at the Philippines, okay, our rank is number 7. O based on the statement earlier, ang sabi natin, Philippines ranks as 7th most populated country in the Asia. Is it a fact or opinion? So if you look at the data, it means there's an evidence that tells us that Philippines ranks 7. So it means the information is or the statement is a fact. Okay? Kunyari, ang sabi, another, the most populated country in the Asia is India. Is it a fact or an opinion? Okay, so the answer there would be opinion. Why? India is only 2nd top most populated country and yung pinaka is the China. Okay? So, based on information tayo, dapat we always based on evidences or proof. We always look for proof bago tayo maniniwala. Okay, so that is the end of the part 1. Paki-check nyo yung part 2 ng fact and opinion kasi on that part, doon tayo magtitingin sa mga paragraph examples. Okay, we're going to answer some worksheets on part 2.